Okay. Order of operations. Tell us what to do first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses or anything grouped together first. Then exponents. Multiply and divide are tied, so we go left to right. Addition and subtraction are tied, so we go left to right. Okay. So I want you to look at number 1. PEMDAS, do we have parentheses? We kind of do. The absolute value gets thrown in. Can you pick that up, please? The absolute value gets thrown in there. So that's the first thing we need to do. So I'm going to copy everything down. What's the absolute value of negative 18? 18. Okay. Now, do we have exponents? Yes. Okay. What is 9 squared? 81. No. Just don't even give him the attention.
I didn't say anything.
All right. Now, do we have multiplication division? We have multiplication. What is 28 divided by 4? 7. Okay. Now, we have both addition and subtraction. Remember, it needs to go from left to right. So, what's 81 plus 7? So, 88 minus 18 gives us 70. Boom, there we go. We're on page 6. 5. We're on page 5. Oh. Okay, let's look at number 2. PEMDAS. Do we have parentheses? We sure do. In this set of parentheses, what is 9 minus 5? So we have 4 cubed. Okay. In this set of parentheses, we have subtraction and multiplication. What do we do first? Okay, so we have 18 minus 12, which is 6. Okay, so we've done parentheses. Now we have exponents. 4 cubed. Okay, we don't have to worry about multiplication division. Now we just have subtraction. What's 64 minus 6? Okay, and you get to use your calculator, so use it. All right. Now, go to the next page. Page 6. We're going to remember our exponent rules. Okay? This is probably the part you need to pay closest attention to. I'm really not worried about order of operations. I'm really not worried about Pythagorean theorem. I'm a little bit worried about exponent rules. So pay attention. X to the 0. Every time, if you have the 0 power, what does it become? It's just 1. X to the 0 is 1. What do we do with a negative exponent? We send him to the basement to get an attitude adjustment. Go downstairs. Well, not the rest of your life. Okay, what happens when we're multiplying? What do we do with the exponents? We add them together. What about when we divide? We subtract. Okay. And then if we have a power to a power, that is when we multiply our exponents together. Yeah. Plus. This one's the minus. Okay. So in number 1, what operation is happening? That dot means multiplication. Now, what number is in front of p cubed? Okay, so we know that there's an invisible 1 here. Our coefficients we do the normal operation with. So I know that 7 times 1 is 7. What do we do with 4 and 3? Okay, since we're multiplying, our exponents get added. So this becomes p to the... Done.
You saw that, right?
I promise. Just don't throw one, please. Okay, number 2. Same thing. What did I just say?
That was clean, Missy.
Give me the box.
I'll put it back.
There's an invisible 1 in front of b to the negative 2. So what do we do with 1 and 8? We are normal. 1 times 8 is 8. But then what do we do with our exponents when we multiply? Okay, what is negative 2 plus negative 2? Negative 4. Can we leave our answer as 8b to the negative 4? Okay, who has the negative? Just the b. The 8 does not need the attitude adjustment. Just the b to the 4th. Okay. Now we're dividing. Okay, so let's be normal. What's 8 divided by 2? Okay. But then, since we're dividing, what do we do with negative 2 and 1? We subtract. What is negative 2 minus 1? All right. So negative 3 is our exponent because we subtracted. Again, can we leave a negative exponent? The 4 needs no attitude adjustment, but the v to the 3rd does. Who's making that noise?
I don't know.
Okay. Not obvious at all. Ooh, number 4. This is a good one. We're dividing, right? So what's 5 divided by 5? Okay. Now, what do we do with 4 and negative 1? So we have 4 minus negative 1.
Excuse me?
What is it?
Sorry, guys.
Okay, I'm hearing 5, I'm hearing 3.
5 because you plus. Oh.
Okay. So n to the 5th. Do you need that 1? No. If you have it, is it fine? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let's go to this one. When we have a parentheses and an exponent, that exponent goes to everybody. So this is 8 to the second power and b to the second power. What is 8 to the second power? So we're going to write this as 64b squared. Okay, now in this problem, we have k squared raised to the negative 1 power. What do we do with that 2 and negative 1?
You gotta
Multiply. We're going to multiply power to a power. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. We can't leave it like this. We got to write this as 1 over k squared. Yeah. How about we just wait till we're done with notes? Can you do that? Okay, that's fine. All right, now we have 2 problems left that have a mixture. What do you think we need to take care of first here? I'll give you a hint. Yeah, let's do the multiplication in that numerator, huh? So what happens when we do 2 times 2? Okay, and then we get n to what power? Because we have to add our exponents. Okay, now we have some division to take care of. What is 4 divided by 2? And then when we divide, we got to subtract our exponents. Huh? We get 2? Okay. Now, we can do this guy. We have 2 to the 4th. And what does the power of n become? What do we do with 2 and 4? Yep. Can anybody tell me what 2 to the 4th is? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. All right, last problem, and then you get work time, okay? Ooh, what's x to the 0? X to the 0 is 1. And what is 1 to the negative 4th? What's 1 to any power? What's 1 to any power? 1 squared. 1 to the 4th. Okay. So our denominator is just 1. And then what do I do with my 3 and my 4? We add them because we are multiplying. Yes. Oops. Okay. I would like